Okay, as I mentioned before, I have a property in Thailand. So now I'm trying to get a project started. That means I'm trying to reno the place. So I've owned the place for about 10 years. So maybe it's good to just check out the condition of the place right now. So if you are thinking of buying a property overseas and you're not going often enough, this is what's going to happen. The place is going to get super dusty and things will start to fall apart. So for example, like you can see all this like wallpaper, it's like peeling. So what happens is after COVID, right, I decided not to lease the place out because I was worried that about checking out on the tenant and who will be staying here. So ever since I've left it, no tenant living care lah. So you see like here, the wallpaper is also peeling. Well, the good thing though is this project was built by a rather reputable developer. So it's actually Sansiri. So you can see that their cabinetry is still good, but we will do some changes to it lah. So it's a 2-bedroom. It's 700 over square foot, but pretty decent lah. Yeah, and this is the common bedroom, and common bedroom lah. So we used to lease it out. So there will be changes to this room as well. It's very comfortable. This is a queen size, but it can easily fit a king. So even though it's 700 plus square foot, the layout is that there's no aircon latch and all that. So it's fully usable. So there's no harmonization lah. It's all the same. So now we come into the master. It's a corner unit, so therefore we have like mirrors and glass all around lah. So this is a king, I would say king size. So easily can do king size. So we are going to change the orientation so that we can have more of the views outside. For a 2-bed, 2-bath, you can check out like the cabinetry. It's okay lah, walk-in wardrobe lah. Then here we have the toilets. We have a bathtub as well. So if you can see from the glass outside that this is also a bathtub as well. So for those who are bathtub lovers, right? Yeah, so there will be a bathtub. We bought this property in 2015 and the price then was around 290,000. So has the value of the property gone up? I think probably so, but we'll probably buy and keep. So for the aspiring people out there, if you want to find out about the journey of buying a property in Thailand, or you want to find out about the journey of how do you, from investments of properties in Singapore, generate a healthy profit to help you own something overseas to become your retirement home or your holiday home, right? Continue to watch me on the channel.